If you want me to do something cool, listen, I got a video of the century for you. I'm going to show you in this video real quickly, so please listen up and I will show you how to make money on Clickbank using a bot. Okay, this is a free bot that allows you to pull data for free and basically make up to $400 every 2 days. And listen, let me show you proof on how you can do this step by step. And if you like videos like this, do yourself a favor, smash that like button and activate the notifications so you can be one of the first ones to know and get advantage of it. So without any more delay, let me take you to a computer and get started with today's strategy. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to come to is Clickbank. So we're gonna be promoting all these people's products. So there are so many different categories that you can go to, but as is the new year now, for example, you could focus on health and fitness because everybody's looking for that new year resolution. And then here you'll be looking for gravity. So gravity means like how well this product is actually converting, how well this product is actually selling. So as you can see here, it has got $170 per sale, and the gravity is over 600, which means that this product is selling very well, you know. And here when you go to the affiliate page, you're gonna be able to get different affiliate swipes like I'm gonna show you right now. And then you're gonna be using those affiliate swipes in order for you to get to obviously get the data. And then, you know, for example, if you go to a different offer as well, you will be able to generate the files. Let's go to this one, which as well is selling very well. And then here you can get the different email swipes that can actually help you to make a lot of sales, you know. So the only thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to copy this in order to send the emails. And I know that you might be thinking, okay, so where am I gonna be getting the email addresses from? Don't worry, because I'm gonna show you a trick and a software that will do all the work for you. But first you need to get the emails so you can send them to these people that might be interested in buying your product, you know. So the next thing that I want you to do is once that you get your emails, you know, you're gonna go to Google Docs and then you'll copy your email swipes there so you know exactly what you need to send them, you know. So I'll show you a couple of offers where you can get email swipes from. And the next website which I would like you to go is I want you to go to appify.com, you know. So when you go to appify.com, this is how the dashboard will look. Let me show you. So let's go into appify.com. The good thing about this website, as you can see here, is web scraping and data extraction. So it means like in different niches, you're gonna be able to get the email addresses for people. You know, it's backup for all these companies, which means like it has got a good reputation, you know, for web scraping, web automation, and web integration. You know, so you can see here how Appify can help your business. You know, it's gonna help you with market research, price comparison, product development, machine learning, lead generation. So basically, we're gonna get these email addresses and then we're gonna send the emails with the email swipes about the offer, because we're gonna know what people we want to obviously to kind of focus, you know, for the niche that we're going for. This could be like a health niche or whichever niche you go to, you know. So once that you sign up, you will come to a dashboard that will look like this, and then you will be able to scrape different profiles. So for example, if you go to different profiles on Instagram, when you come back to the software, you will be able to see, you know. But as well, you can get started, you can click there and then it's gonna show you a video on how everything works, so you can watch it, and then, you know, it's something that I highly recommend you, you know. Here it will actually tell you all the research that has done and all the scraping that you've done. You can see here it can do web scraper, it can do Facebook scraper, Instagram scraper. So this is actually a good software, you know. So there's a video introduction that you can go to and check out as well. If you go any help, you know, you can go to the help center, and then here you can see all your settings and so on, which you actually can modify and adjust as you like, you know. So with that said, this is all for today's strategy. You know, I wanted to show you a way where you can extract different emails and you can send in these email addresses, you know, to promote different offers and, you know, therefore make money out of it, you know. So additionally, if you want to find out additional ways on how you can make money online, don't go actually and click on the first link into the description, because I'm gonna send you all the information to your email address. There has never been a better way, you know, in order to make money with affiliate marketing, and this is something I want to show all of you. You know, it's a very easy way where you can start making high ticket commissions, selling other people's products and making profit out of it, you know. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you're very successful. I hope that you take massive action and go ahead and implement everything that we discussed today. So take care now, guys.